Let us begin with the Help section to get your questions answered. Then we have All Recipes and Diet Types pages. In All Recipes table, we will keep all our recipes. Name, photo, ingredients, method, diet-related tags, nutritional information, extra notes, and select days are required for adding a recipe. Food Gallery gives a quick look at all recipes with days assigned. Diet type contains list of diets. Now let us look at day-wise recipes. Here you can see recipe details along with nutritional information. We can filter them by diet-related tags that we have in Diets list. Just have a look at the day for preparing the recipe. The same food gallery can also be viewed here at the bottom. Make a weekly plan with this meal planner. Get this meal planner along with other free and premium Notion templates from the link in the description. Feast on! Thank you.